This book is about processes that power our democracy, like elections, voting, districting, and apportionment of legislative seats. It examines them from a mathematical point of view and finds that much of the mechanics of our democracy is flawed, that it encourages partisanship, stifles diversity of political opinions, silences the voices of millions, and produces results that are not representative of the will of the people. This book will show you why this is, why the way we elect our officials is flawed, why gerrymandering is so dangerous for democracy, and why we must rethink the structure of the House of Representatives and the Electoral College. But more importantly, and urgently in this time of extreme political divisiveness and mistrust, it will also show you which mechanisms can work better, which structures can be implemented so that our democracy works better for more of us.